Good morning, students. I, Vijaya, your teacher of English, welcome you all to Rishikul Online School. Dear students, today we are going to discuss Chapter 5 Footprints Without Feet, written by H.G. Wells. This is from the book Footprints Without Feet, and this is Module 1. So, come on, let's start. Footprints Without Feet. Come on, first of all, let's talk about Footprints Without Feet and its introduction. Dear students, it is an extract from the novel The Invisible Man, written by H.G. Wells. This episode unfolds the suspense behind the invisibility of Griffin, the scientist, who misuses his ability to make himself invisible. The episode describes the misdeeds of Griffin and the numerous ways in which he creates trouble to others. It also describes the reaction of innocent people of Epping to the strange phenomenon of invisibility of a human being. So come on, let's start the chapter. The two boys started in surprise at the fresh muddy imprints of a pair of bare feet. What was a barefooted man doing on the steps of a house in the middle of London? And where was the man? As they gazed, a remarkable sight met their eyes. A fresh footmark appeared from nowhere. Further footprints followed, one after another, descending the steps and progressing down the street. The boys followed, fascinated, until the muddy impression became fainter and fainter, and at last disappeared altogether. The explanation of the mystery was really simple enough. Now, here two boys were surprised to see fresh muddy impressions of a pair of feet. They were the imprints of a barefooted man in the middle of London. The boys followed the footprints but could not see the person who was leaving them behind. Still, they kept following till the muddy impressions grew fainter, grew dim, and eventually disappeared. These astonished or surprised the boys as they were actually following a scientist named Griffin. The explanation of the mystery was really simple enough. The bewildered boys had been following a scientist who had just discovered how to make the human body transparent. Griffin, the scientist, had carried out experiments after experiment to prove that the human body could become invisible. Finally, he swallowed certain rare drugs and his body became as transparent as a sheet of glass, though it also remained as solid as glass. Brilliant scientist though he was, Griffin was rather a lawless person. Now, you see, students, these astonished boys were following a scientist named Griffin, who had made a series of experiments that had led to invention of some drug which could make a man's body invisible. Brilliant scientist though he was, Griffin was a rather lawless person. His landlord disliked him and tried to eject him. In revenge, Griffin set fire to the house. To get away being seen Without being seen, he had to remove his clothes. Thus, it was that he became a homeless wanderer, without clothes, without money, and quite invisible until he happened to step in some mud and left footprints as he walked. Now, see, Griffin was a brilliant scientist, but he was a lawless person. His landlord did not like him and wanted to get rid of him. To take revenge, Griffin set fire to the house, swallowed the rare medicine for invisibility, and became transparent and solid like a sheet of glass. He then undressed himself because the medicine could not make his clothes invisible. Having done that, he rushed out of the house to escape being caught. Now, we'll meet soon in the next lecture, in the next module, module 2. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.